What you've just witnessed is some serious action from the JK Tyre Monsoon Scooter Rally, an event that Sportscraft has been organizing for the last 28 years. No, I'm not kidding about the scooter bit, just in case you thought scooters were only good enough to take you shopping or at best to your workplace. That should explain this very stickered and knobby tired scooter, the TVS Ntorq SXR. And guess what? I've been given the permission to take it for a spin. To create the SXR, TVS started out with the already rather sporty Ntorq 125 and put it through seriously extensive modifications. TVS won't say, but the Ntorq's motor has been rebored to fall within the INRC's scooter category ceiling set at 210cc. What TVS doesn't mind disclosing is that the Ntorq SXR makes, wait for it, 20 HP. That's more than twice the power the stock scooter makes. It has achieved this by tuning the intake and exhaust system on the SXR for better performance, and even the ignition system has been reworked to good effect. The SXR also features a quick throttle, which makes for, well, quicker throttle response. It's not much lighter in rally guise, however, although doing away with the stock exhaust has brought about a minor weight reduction. In true rally machine style, the front mudguard has been raised and suspension travel along with ground clearance has been increased as well. And finally, TVS got the SXR to put on a pair of knobby tyres around 12-inch pressed steel wheels, which fare better when subjected to abuse than alloys. The result is a scooter that instantly made waves when it debuted at the 4th round of the INRC in Nashik earlier this year, with a strong finish in 1st and 4th place. Speaking of which, we have with us the man who took the Ntorq SXR to its first win at its maiden outing at the INRC this year. Asif Ali. Man, how do you do it? I mean, even some 4x4s can't do these sections, at least not as fast as you can. So, are you really crazy, or has TVS built an incredible racing machine here?
Yes, to win a rally, one should have a good rider and a good racing team. Definitely, Team TVS Racing has done a great job in terms of building a good scooter, and I'm doing good on my physical fitness, so that we both combine and give good results.
You make it sound really simple, but I'm sure it isn't. By the way, can you show us some rally basics so that we know how to get it right on a scooter?
Yeah, these are the basic maneuvering while entering the corner, putting the left leg out, then the right leg. And then we don't have a tank to hold it. So what I usually do is to hold with my legs to the seat, and I put my body weight on the back, and I don't feel hard on the handle. I let it go with the flow. And I feel it goes very quick and easy. I always took my elbows out. This maneuver helps me very much in the racing.
Well, that looks easy. I think you should stick around and watch me do it so that you can decide if I'm going to give you some tough competition next year.
Hey, that should be really funny.
With Asif keeping a closed eye on his prized possession, I take off and almost instantly have to eat my words. This is completely unlike any other scooter I've ever ridden, and the speed is just a part of how incredible it is. You can thrash it around like you would a dirt bike, and the Ntorq SXR barely loses composure over even the most challenging bits. Along with its impressive suspension and inherently good handling, what helps is having 20 HP on tap, which means you can power in and out of any situation, no matter how tricky it may appear. It also produces a loud and racy soundtrack, which adds to the sensation of speed, and to be honest, you never really feel out of control on it, which is simply astonishing considering this is, at the end of the day, just an automatic scooter. Wow, I can't believe how different the Ntorq SXR is from the production scooter. I mean, that an everyday scooter can turn into such a dominant rally machine is almost impossible to believe. But I guess TVS hasn't been racing for the last 35 years for nothing. So, am I really good enough to ride this at the next rally? Probably not. But you know what? I'd love to take this shopping.